What's up, guys? My name is Nevis, and you are watching Nevis's Imagination. Today, we are going to have some more fun with our potato cannons. As you can see, we have a couple new targets here today. I have the cannons loaded and ready. Let's get started. Alright. Now, hold on, guys. Let me get the cannon ready. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Alright, it's time. Let's do this. Alright, yeah. Great first shot. Alright, up next, we are going to take a shot at Mr. Barbecue there. And this time, once again, on top of our potato, we are loaded up with some paintballs, so this is going to be pretty exciting. Alright, here goes. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Alright. Time for the massive wrench. Alright. Alright, here goes. Alright. That was a good one. Okay, my friends. Last but not least is the big guns. We have the longest potato cannon once again. And we are going to see what happens when we shoot straight into that piece of black ABS pipe right there. If you can see it, it's that little skinny black pipe right there. And then we're going to do one more thing for the grand finale. Alright, here goes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. Time for the wrench. Oh yeah. Okay. Here goes. All right.